Morning.
Morning.
How are you, man?
I'm good.
Do you have your license on here?
Yeah.
Is this your vehicle? Or?
Yeah.
Is it registered to you, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have the registration insurance?
Yeah. This is the inspection.
So you had temporary inspection?
Yeah.
Where'd you get that from?
DMV, Goshen.
You just re-registered, or
Yeah.
what happened?
I just re-registered it.
What's going on with the car?
What do you mean?
It's obviously, it's got a lot of issues.
It runs fine to me.
The exhaust, the backfiring.
Oh my god! Bro, that's just.
It's so low you can't get up here.
This shit low. You gotta go sideways. Wait, do I gotta go sideways?
On the driveway. You got like duct tape keeping this together. I don't even know how your tires are. I didn't even look.
Wait! It's not that.
The vehicle's got, it's not signed. Okay. Here you go, sir. There's just a bunch of issues going on with the car.
Because this is my daily now, because I got a new car, but I'm trying to save miles on that, and I'm just driving this around now.
Okay. How are you gonna get this past inspection?
It should pass. There's nothing wrong with it.
This is not gonna pass inspection like this.
It passed last year. It was just like
This
this.
alone you're gonna fail.
It's going to pass.
That's not gonna pass.
It was like that last year. It's been like this.
There's not one mechanic that can legally pass that for an inspection.
I passed.
I'm not trying to give you a hard time.
I know, I understand, but I passed
That's a
2 years.
fact.
I passed 2 years in a row. I had this car for 3 years now.
And it was like this.
Yeah. I bought it from the previous owner like that.
Your license good and everything?
Yeah.
No issues? All right, let me just make sure everything's good, all right?
Right.
I'm gonna cut your brake.
Now,
How about this? I'm gonna do you like this here. Serge Ibaka, Chewbacca, Waka Flocka.
All right. If I deal with the car again, and this isn't like to be mean to you, if I deal with your car again, you may not get a break, but I'm gonna give you a break, give you opportunity to fix some things on the vehicle. Okay?
Like what?
I've been a cop for multiple years. I've never met you before. All right. But if I see the car driving around, if it's not inspected, all right, you're probably gonna get a ticket.
I have how many days left on my temp?
Probably like 7.
Okay, I'll go today.
Yeah,
if I
so-
pass today,
Yeah,
then
but you're not. There's not one mechanic. Like the mechanic shop could get in trouble for passing this. Like it's not going to pass.
so if you see me again and I have one and I pass and it's
Well, then that's
legit.
gonna be an issue with the person who did the inspection.
Okay.
You know.
Because other than
That's what
okay, I could
DMV
fix the
gets.
mirror.
Yeah. Well, the mirror you're gonna have to put like a real mirror on it. You know, it can't be held up with tape. That exhaust backfiring like that is not going to pass inspection at all. They hook it up to the machines now and do like the exhaust test and all that. Like that's not going to pass.
Because it doesn't.
And you seem very nice and reasonable.
Yeah, I know, I
I'm not trying to
understand.
be mean to you or anything, but like this car is just not going to pass inspection like this.
Because I passed 2 years in a row and it's been like this.
Where did you go to get it inspected?
I went
last
to
time?
that spot behind McDonald's. So.
I went to a spot that.
Because everyone goes there, so I just assumed.
Yeah. Are they charging you extra?
No, I
Or
think
they
it was like
just-
21 or
that's
20
all they
something
charge
dollars.
you,
Yeah.
just a normal inspection?
Yeah, because
Oh.
it's nothing, realistically, there's nothing wrong with the vehicle. Because it passes emissions and everything like that. So,
Well, average car going down the street doesn't do all its popping noises, right?
yeah, true.
So there's obviously something wrong, right? All right, man. Be good, all right?
Hey, thank you. Have a good one. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Neil with another banger, and we're back with this piece of Lexus next to this clean-ass BMW. We got the F10 back outside. I know the past couple videos we've been in the E46, but cops are on my tail right now with that car, so I'm tired of driving it. So we got the daily back out. I got a couple things coming for this car, and I'm excited for it. I ain't gonna lie, I think y'all excited. You know I'm doing the springs and stuff like that, but I got other little cosmetic mods to do, and then the car's basically done. So, man, this car is just too clean. But I think this is gonna be the same video from when I got pulled over, and I didn't really get to talk about that. So basically, I was on my way from work, going home, pulled into my driveway. I got stuck in my driveway, teeter-tottering or whatever. And a cop came behind me, pulled me over, and gave me the whole 9 yards about no inspection, no front plate, no this, no that. Like, that's on the clips in the video or whatever. So I parked that car up for a little bit until I go get an inspection and get that shit figured out. So this is what we're gonna be driving for now. I got stuff coming in the next 2 weeks or so. So when that comes in, there's gonna be another little video or series or whatever. But hope y'all enjoyed the last video. We started to rebuild that car because the control arm was shot. That was that clanking noise in that car. So I figured it out. We fixed it. That's good. So now we're gonna start working on this. He's about to get coilover and slam this on its nuts eventually. And I got one thing. Let me know down below if I should do it. I have the springs. I'm gonna run the springs for this season, but I'm thinking next season, put some money aside, go bags. We won't bag it for next season. Low key. For this car, the bags of the setup is like $1,000 for the whole setup, and then to install is probably like $3, it's like $4 grand. Oh, and then I gotta order the new tips because I have these tack welded on. I did the full exhaust system, no resonator, no mufflers, and then we have the charge pipe. All we gotta do now is the down pipe and then the intercooler and then tune. But it's gonna be some time before I do that because this is the daily for now until I figure out the E46 so I could daily that. But for now, this is the daily, so I'm trying to keep it modest, not trying to do too much. So yeah, I found a set of rims I might pick up for this. So I have stuff in the works. I've been grinding, trying to get the money up to figure it out, to get this going. I'm gonna put a poll on the screen right now. If y'all should, I'm doing the front window tint, but I'm gonna do like the last one had the blue hue tint. I don't know if I'm gonna do blue or red, like the Mercedes and the other BMWs. I'm surprised this didn't have it, but the black one did, but I don't know. So I'm gonna put a poll on the screen and see which one y'all think I should do. He said I should do the blue. I might do the blue. I'm thinking red. I don't know. So to get the film, put that on. And we're just gonna go OEM plus with this car, this version. So it's gonna be nice once we figure it out. Finally ordering parts. Took me long enough. I started putting some old parts on. GTS taillights. Should I put them back in? Or OEM plus? I don't know. We'll figure it out when we figure it out. But big ass fucking mufflers. It was just a muscle car. Why is it growling like that?
How the fuck can the cop tell there's no...
No what? No muffler?
Yeah. Oh, there's not those big ass things right there?
Oh yeah, you can tell. The more you bend down, you can tell it's no muffler. You just see pipe. Oh, you know what you could do on these? You could get like you could do a quad tips. Get two smalls on both sides and do like a quad.
Bro, that's what I wanted to do. That shit, because there's enough space.
And I'm looking at it, so you could probably do a nice quad. What do y'all think? Do you think you should do a quad? I think so. That'd be fire. Dead ass. You can do 4 carbon tips to match that. That should be clean back here with that. Oh hell yeah. Oh, you should do that.
There's enough space out there.
Yeah, you can. Nah, that'd be fire. I like them too, but that would be tough. But let me get to the front of the car, the outro, because it's already a long ass video. This video is probably like 15, 20 minutes long. So that's the end of the video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications for more content. I've been on the grind. I've been enjoying the content like always. So do that. See y'all next week when you're out. Peace.